when we talk about seed potatoes, we're talking about just normal potatoes that we've harvested and kept in cool stores?
Pretty much. They're grown as seed crops, so they've had quite a few different treatments to a normal commercial crop, and they'll be harvested, put through a grading process so that we can grade the large tubers out, and then they'll be put in a warehouse, a cool store, and they'll be cooled over the winter.
The seed grows from the seed grower into the Simplot system, which entails storage, which is normally at about 3 degrees C. It's quite cold. You've got to keep the potato seed from breaking dormancy and starting to shoot. After that, they've pulled out about 2 to 4 weeks before planting, where they're heated a little to get them up to about 12 to 15 degrees centigrade, and then they're put through a machine that cuts them. The reason they're cut is to make sure that you maximise the amount of seed pieces that you can plant per hectare for the seed. The seed's quite expensive. The seed pieces, after they're cut, are then suberised. Now, suberising means you put them in a bin and you allow a lot of air to flow through them at about 15 to 18 degrees so that they'll form a scab. And that scab on the cut surface stops disease from getting in.
These have been coated with cement and fir bark, and the cement is just to dry the surface so that there's not too much excess moisture, so we don't have seed breakdown. And the fir bark just keeps the surface sort of rubbly so that they won't stick back together again.
So Scott, tell us about the qualities that we're looking for within our potatoes.
Okay, Quinton, what we're after is nice, even cut seed like this.
Yep.
So we need to have it so that the mechanical planter will be able to pick that up. Now we use clamp planters and cup planters. Both of them will be able to pick that up, the clamp or the cup.
Right.
The cup's very similar to the shape of my hand there.
Yep.
That'll pick that up quite nicely, and it'll give for an accurate planting job. So what we need to be able to achieve this is good sized seed on the way in. These are nice sized seed pieces. So this little tuber, he'll fall straight through the mechanical cutter and he'll be planted as a round seed. These two will be cut in half like that, and they'll be planted as single cuts. And then this one, he'll be cut horizontally and across this way. So he'll probably end up as 6 seed pieces. Each seed piece we want to be around about 65 grams, and each seed piece needs to have an eye so that the plant can grow from that eye.